Imagine a place where speed is engineered, precision is measured in millimeters, and every machine is built to push the limits of performance. Today, we're stepping inside one of the world's most advanced motorcycle factories to see how these incredible machines are born. The journey begins with raw materials. Massive coils of steel arrive daily, ready to be transformed into the foundation of a high-performance motorcycle. Inside the frame shop, robotic welding systems work with extraordinary accuracy, creating structures strong enough to handle extreme speeds. Every weld must be flawless. Even the smallest defect could affect performance when a motorcycle is pushed to its limits. That's why experienced technicians carefully inspect every critical connection before production can continue. Once approved, the completed frames begin their journey through a perfectly synchronized manufacturing system.
The next stop is the engine department, where hundreds of precision-made components come together to create the heart of the motorcycle.
Pistons, crankshafts, camshafts, and valves are manufactured to incredibly tight tolerances for maximum efficiency and reliability. Skilled technicians carefully assemble each component, ensuring every part fits perfectly within the engine. Digital torque tools verify every bolt is tightened to exact specifications, eliminating guesswork from the process. Quality checks are performed continuously, with specialists searching for even the smallest imperfection. Before moving forward, every engine undergoes advanced diagnostic testing to ensure it meets strict factory standards. Technicians even analyze engine sounds and vibrations, detecting issues that may not be visible to the eye. Only after passing every inspection is the engine approved for final assembly.
Now the motorcycle begins to take shape as the frame enters the final assembly line.
The power plant is carefully lowered into position, connecting the motorcycle's most important systems.
Suspension, braking components, and steering systems are added one step at a time.
Complex wiring harnesses are routed manually, requiring patience, skill, and attention to detail. Advanced electronics transform the motorcycle into a highly intelligent machine capable of monitoring every aspect of performance. Precision balanced wheels are installed to ensure stability and smooth operation at high speeds.
Powerful braking systems are carefully fitted, giving riders complete confidence and control.
With the mechanical systems complete, aerodynamic body panels begin to transform the machine's appearance.
Multiple layers of paint are applied in a controlled environment to create a flawless finish.
Each surface is then polished to perfection, producing the deep shine expected from a premium motorcycle.
Before testing begins, inspectors perform a final examination of every visible and functional component.
The motorcycle now faces one of its most important challenges: performance testing. Every component is meticulously checked to ensure the bike delivers peak power and reliability. On a dynamometer, engineers simulate real-world riding conditions while monitoring every critical system. Every sensor and gauge is watched closely to capture peak performance data. Any issue, no matter how small, is investigated immediately to maintain the highest quality standards. What began as raw metal has become a masterpiece of engineering, built through precision, craftsmanship, and an unwavering pursuit of perfection.